This is master bedroom that's being done. And here this will be a walk-in closet, brand new. And here will be a brand new master bedroom. So just want you guys to check out this project and actually see step by step what goes on with construction. So I want you to stay tuned and watch this project come together. It's one of the things I want to give you, everyone to share on Real Estate Life. Is show you what it takes to rehab and do these remodeling jobs at houses and walk you through step by step. So stay tuned.